Hi, it is Ish the Fish, back with another video. Uh, so I'm going to be doing a Madden 20 pack opening. So I will open a Legends Fantasy pack first, and no, I'll do that last. I must do that last because it is the best. So right now I will open a Season Performer Fantasy pack for 500 points. Alright, so let's go. Oh, it is not available. Oh, probably my Wi-Fi is bad. Oh, it worked. Okay, I found it. Oh, first let me open this because I didn't open it from earlier. Okay, that was not good. Okay, next pack. We will open this now. I don't know, just 32, so let's go fast. So we must think who we need and then get the appropriate selection. Okay, first we have to pick a good team because I'm pretty sure they agree by how the team does. Wait, let's look at the cards. Yeah, it boosts after all the team does. So we need to pick a good team. Oh, maybe the Chiefs. Maybe not the Eagles. Let's see, maybe the Packers. Maybe the Patriots. Maybe the Rams. Maybe the Ravens. Saints. I don't know. It's kind of also have to pick someone that will be good on our team and can stay and be good. So we don't need a receiver. I think I might get Blake Martinez because or Kendall Fuller. I think I'm gonna do Kendall Fuller. Okay. Alright, so now I need to open some more packs. So let's go. I think I'm gonna just open a Legends Fantasy pack. And then I must be done. Or maybe like one more, like 2 more packs. Alright. I hope we get a full legend. Alright, so let's just get this guy, this guy, and this guy. Alright, second round. Ooh, let's go, got a legend in the second round. John Elway. Oh my god, another elite. Oh, I got Michael Thomas. Let's go. You know what YouTubers do this, they don't get this good packs. Oh my god, I got a third elite. And I need that, and I need him for my power up. Oh wait, you can only pick 2. Oh, this is tough. I'm able to do these 2. Oh, heavyweight. Okay, that's alright, but I don't need it. Oh, that's good, I might get that. And the final legend, please. Full legend. Okay, what should I do? I need a tight end. I don't really need a running back, but I might do that. And I don't need a defensive tackle. So 86 speed. Let's see what speed he has. And I'm just gonna go with Shannon Sharp. So that pack was very very, very good. Okay, now we have 200 more points. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to open maybe this pack. I think I'm going to open. Oh, that's so tough. I think I'm going to open this pack. Alright. So Aaron Rodgers, Saquon, AJ, Nike, Jovi, Marshala. Oh, good sell. Oh wait. I want to see how much coins it is. 38,000. And then will these help our team? Yes, that will, but only by a bit. So I think I must go Kaden. Alright. So now we have some coins that we can spend on some more packs. Like, not the kickoff pack, but wait, not the kickoff pack. Wait, thought there was a good pack I could get with some. Yeah, here. Wait, no. Wait. Yeah, I built these two. Or should I get? Wait, what's this? With that or that or. Alright, so I'm gonna open this one, but it is the most expensive. Okay, who should I get? I think because I don't have a good offensive line. I think I'm just gonna go with Jason Peters because I like because he's on the Eagles. I don't have a good offensive line, so I need some help on that, and then we can open. Oh, we can open both more. Oh, I cannot do the calculations.
That's exactly what I said.
Yeah, Sean. I cannot do the calculations.
Right? Sean, that's literally what I said. I said open all of them.
Okay. Alright, so this one. Alright. So, and then, okay. So, we can see what we need, then choose appropriately. No, we're good there. We're good there. We're good there. So if we have a D-line, I know. Are we okay here? Yes, we're fine there. Yes, we're very, very good there. Yes, I think I'm gonna go with Justin Reed. Actually, no, we're good there. I think I'm gonna go with Jabril. Who should I get? Justin Reed. Because I can just send him. Oh, we have 2,000 more coins. Wow. And then I'm going to open this as my last thing, and then the pack opening will be completed.
You have 2,000 more coins to get more stuff.
But there's nothing else to get. Ocam, Diddy Gore. I think I must go with an O-lineman because I don't have a good. Wait.
77.
I'm gonna go with the center. Alright, the pack opening is now completed.